Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know I've been coloring my hair for over a decade now, and it does take a toll on your hair. It does damage your cortex and cuticle, which is the innermost portion and the outermost portion of your hair over the years. So my hairstylist here in Pune, who I go to for my hair trims and color touch-ups, she recommended that I try the new L'Oreal Professionnel Absolute Repair range, which basically has gold quinoa and protein, and this range is targeted for damaged hair. Okay, so this range has a shampoo, mask and serum. Now you guys know the area of concern for my hair has always been my mid-lengths to ends. That's the most damaged part of my hair because of all the color and the heat styling I do here and there. You also know that I have used a mask always in place of a conditioner because a mask is more deep conditioning and has more potent ingredients in it. So in case you guys have dry damaged hair just like mine, you should definitely switch from using a conditioner to a mask. And I am also most excited to try the mask from this range. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So I'm going to begin by doing one wash using the L'Oréal Professionnel Serum Expert Absolute Repair Shampoo. I'm done with my wash and I do feel my hair feeling a lot more manageable and smooth. And now I'm going to use the Absolute Repair Mask on my mid-lengths to ends. Like you can see the texture, it's quite buttery and creamy. It also smells really lush and divine. When my stylist recommended this mask, she told me the pro way to apply it, which is what I'm going to show you today. So first, always apply on damp hair and not on fully drenched wet hair. Don't take too much, it's a potent formula and will spread through your hair very easily. Section your hair and only apply from mid-lengths to ends, and I like to keep it in at least for 3 to 5 minutes and let it work its magic. You can always begin by using a little bit and then build up using more so you don't make your hair too oily or sticky. I also like to apply a little bit extra towards the ends because that is where my hair feels most dry and damaged. Now this step of combing your hair with a white tooth comb is absolutely optional. In case your hair is very weak and you're having intense hair fall, please avoid this step. And if you choose to do so, please always use a white tooth comb. Go section by section and hold your hair really tight towards the roots. And then just gently pass the comb through your hair. If there are a lot of knots, then just let it be and do not put extra tension on your hair because that's just going to cause hair fall and hair breakage. And if you're going to do this the right way and be gentle on your hair, you will not see any hair fall. I have rinsed off the mask and my hair feels soft and detangled. I totally get why my hairdresser says why condition when you can mask, and I'm definitely adding this mask to my hair care regime. I'm going to finish off my regime by using a few drops of the serum before I style my hair. So this is how my hair feels, smooth and healthy. I am also putting in a few before and after clips for you to see how my hair looked before I used the regime and after I used the entire Serum Expert Absolute Repair range. So guys, that's about it for the video. If you have any questions about the range, please put it down in the comment section below. The L'Oréal Professionnel Absolute Repair range is now available online and I will leave a link to this in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share this with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!